He didn't invent the car. He didn't invent the assembly line. But he revolutionized both, and in the process, changed the world forever. This is the story of Henry Ford, the man who put the world on wheels. If you're passionate about history, innovation, and game-changing personalities, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the fascinating life and legacy of Henry Ford, the legendary American industrialist and founder of the Ford Motor Company. Henry Ford was born on July 30, 1863, in a rural farmhouse in Greenfield Township, Michigan. From a young age, Ford showed an intense curiosity for mechanics. While other kids played, Henry dismantled pocket watches to understand how they worked. He once said, "I want to live, I want to keep learning, keep evolving." That curiosity would later power a revolution. In his 20s, Ford moved to Detroit and started working as an engineer at Edison Illuminating Company. That's right, Thomas Edison was his boss. In fact, Edison encouraged Ford's earliest automobile experiments. In 1896, Ford built his first gasoline-powered vehicle, the quadricycle, basically, a buggy on bicycle wheels with a motor. Crude, but revolutionary. After a few failed business attempts, Ford finally struck gold in 1903, founding the Ford Motor Company. But the real breakthrough came in 1908, with the launch of the legendary Model T. The Model T was affordable, reliable, and easy to maintain. And that was Ford's genius. He didn't want to make luxury cars for the rich. He wanted every working American to own one. Ford famously said, "I will build a car for the great multitude." To mass-produce the Model T, Ford introduced the moving assembly line in 1913, a groundbreaking method that slashed the time it took to build a car from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. This innovation didn't just change the auto industry, it changed manufacturing around the globe. But there was more. Ford also shocked the world by introducing the $5 workday, doubling wages for factory workers. It was unheard of. Critics thought he was crazy. But Ford knew something others didn't: better pay meant happier workers, less turnover, and a new class of consumers. His own employees could now afford to buy the cars they built. But Ford's legacy isn't without flaws. In the 1920s, he published a series of controversial articles in a newspaper he owned, the Dearborn Independent, spreading hateful conspiracy theories. While he later apologized, the damage was done. It's a dark stain on an otherwise brilliant career, and a reminder that even titans of industry are not above scrutiny. Henry Ford passed away in 1947, but his impact is everywhere, in every mass-produced product, in every assembly line, and in every affordable car that helps people live, work, and dream. The Model T alone sold over 15 million units, and the Ford Motor Company continues to be a global automotive giant. Ford didn't just build cars, he reshaped society. He helped create America's middle class, fueled urbanization, and laid the groundwork for the modern economy. Henry Ford once said, "Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right." His story is a powerful reminder of how vision, determination, and innovation can change the world, but also how power must be used responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a story that shaped our world. Have thoughts about Henry Ford's legacy? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.